Hi, everyone, and I'm so proud today to be able to announce the technology and process category winner. Technology and process is a very difficult category because we have to look at a company that is bringing fundamental change to how 3D printing operates. And in so doing, will really affect how the world makes things. So we're looking at technologies. We're not looking for an interesting idea or an interesting startup or something cool. We're looking at somebody who's really bringing a technology that will bring true change to the world, pioneers that will really change how things are made. So this time we had very difficult, very lengthy discussions, and we ended up looking at how land is used on our planet, and we ended up looking at how calories are consumed and how that could be changed, and that could be changed through 3D printing. And the company that really is bringing the most fundamental change, we believe, the biggest pioneer in this area, is MeaTech. And so congratulations so much to Nechama Avrik and all the team at MeaTech for winning in this category. And we hope you go on to be real food and 3D printing pioneers. Thank you.
Yes, that's fantastic. Thank you, everybody. That's an amazing recognition for the work that the team has been doing and all the work focusing on process and technology to improve sustainability and change how food is made. Tremendous honor. Thank you very much to the jury.
MeaTech is developing a solution. An umbilical cord sample is taken without harming the animal. A cell line is developed for continuous cell reproduction. Cells are differentiated into inks. The different cell types are accurately 3D bioprinted. The 3D printed structures are placed in incubators. The finished print of meat can be served fresh or frozen and packaged. MeaTech,